All right. Hi, I'm Dave Durbin, the Director of Engineering for Planar Monolithics. We are designing and manufacturing all of the components that build, transmit, and receive signals for mostly military applications. So we do everything from single function components such as switches, attenuators, phase shifters, limiters, all the way up through full transceivers in VPX format. So whatever a custom product that's needed, we are able to develop all of the single functional components all the way up through the subsystem. So most of our products, over 4,000 of them, have S parameters online, 3D models, and full characterization reports. So the engineer can come to our website, see all of the data before they decide on what product is right for them. And if nothing looks like what they need, we're happy to take a set of specifications and manufacture to print.